The Onboard B2B app's checkout lock prevents customers who aren't approved B2B buyers from making a purchase. Often, stores using the checkout lock will also be utilizing the app's site lock, thus preventing their products from even being seen, but that doesn't always have to be the case. With only the checkout lock enabled, your customers will still have the ability to browse products and even to add them to their carts, but if they're not an approved B2B customer, they'll see something like this when they try to check out. To become an approved B2B customer through the Onboard app, they'll need to log in through Shopify and then fill out an application. Depending on your approval settings, customers will either be automatically approved or they'll see a banner letting them know that their application is awaiting review. Once approved, they'll receive an approval email and will be able to log into the shop, add products, and make a purchase. Don't forget, if a customer logs out or returns to the site later, they'll need to log back into their approved account in order to be able to complete a purchase. Any other B2B customers you have in Shopify, such as those added manually or through other apps, will also be able to bypass the lock and checkout.